So here there's an inequality, and an inequality is a math sentence of an order relationship. So basically you're going to have the symbols greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, between two numbers or algebraic expressions. So it's similar to equations, but instead you have an inequality. So basically this is less than, this is greater than, and this is less than or equal to. This line represents the equal to. So make sure you're understanding that. We'll go over it more once we get into how to write them and how to solve them. So go ahead and make sure that you're writing this. That's the first line. So this is the first line, sorry. Second line, third line, fourth line, and fifth line on your answer key. So make sure you're putting that in your problem for today.